2 cones just sitting out here, that's not a closed lane, that's a suggestion. And let me tell you, people will drive right through suggestions. I'm Jake with Traffic Cones for Less, and today we're talking about the cone bar. So this is the cone bar. You don't need any setup or any tools required, it's pretty simple. Drop it on one end, drop it on the other. So 2 cones close to each other is more of like a gap, but now you have a physical barrier, and drivers will react to this a lot differently than 2 cones placed together. The best part about the cone bars is that they telescope. So you pretty much just doubled the amount of space that you can block off. You didn't need anyone else, you didn't need to buy another product, and now you've essentially doubled the length that you needed to block off. The traffic cone bar will also fit on most delineators as well as most size traffic cones. So it doesn't matter if you buy the traffic cones from us, this will fit on just about every size traffic cone, from 28 inch to 36 inch, 2 collars, no collar, 1 collar, doesn't really matter the make or the model. If it's cylindrical, it'll just about fit on anything. These cone bars are engineered for day or nighttime use. If you're using them out at nighttime, they have reflective grade material on them, so you'll be able to be seen from any distance. Our cone bars come in a wide variety of colors. You can do red and white, orange and white, blue and white, black and yellow, whatever colors you want. Color coordinated crowd control. Traffic Cones for Less cone bar. We've got them in packs of 1 all the way up to 100 with bulk pricing available. Talk to a product expert today.